Proxmox VE is a free open-source hypervisor that runs containers and virtual machines on bare metal with a polished web interface and a full API. This guide gets you from a blank machine to a working node in about 10 minutes. 3 things before you start. First, a 64-bit machine with wired Ethernet and at least 4 gigs of RAM. Second, a USB drive, 8 gigs or larger. Third, a network plan. Pick a static IP for this node, your subnet mask, and your router's gateway IP before you touch anything. Grab the Proxmox VE ISO from Proxmox. COM downloads, about 1.2 gigabytes. Write it to USB with DD on Linux, Rufus on Windows, or Balena Etcher on Mac. It must be a raw image write. File copy won't boot. Boot from USB. Press F12 at power on most machines. Select Install Proxmox VE Graphical. Accept the license. Pick your SSD. Leave the file system as ext4. Set your time zone, then create a strong root password. Write it down. It's your only recovery path if SH breaks. The network screen is the most important step. Set hostname, Pavlab1 LAN. Static IP on your planned address. Netmask your node's IP address. Gateway and DNS set to your router's IP. Wrong values here means no access after reboot. Double-check everything before clicking Install. After reboot, browse to ftapes:// your node's IP:8006 from any other device on your network. Click past the certificate warning, self-signed by default. Log in as root. A subscription dialog pops up. Click OK and ignore it. 3 essential fixes in the node shell. 1 is switch to the free no subscription repo. Otherwise apt will fail every time you try to update. 2. Suppress the login nag with one said command. 3. Confirm NTP is synced. If you plan to cluster, CoroSync requires all node clocks in sync. Proxmox is up. Repos are clean. Time is synced. Repeat on each machine, then form a cluster to link your nodes for live migration. Full guide with every command is linked below. See you in the next one.